To troubleshoot the Phantom Wallet mobile app, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection, as a poor connection can cause issues with the app's performance. Next, check for any updates to the Phantom Wallet app, as the latest version may resolve existing problems. If you are experiencing issues with transactions, check your wallet balance and transaction history to verify that the problem is not related to insufficient funds or a pending transaction. Also, ensure that you have the correct wallet address and that the recipient's address is correct. Another common issue is the app freezing or crashing, in which case, try closing and reopening the app, or restarting your device. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, but be aware that this will remove all local data. So make sure you have your seed phrase or private key backed up. For issues related to seed phrase or private key, make sure you have the correct phrase or key, and that it is entered correctly. If you have lost your seed phrase or private key, you will need to restore your wallet using the recovery process. To resolve issues with NFTs or tokens, check that the asset is supported by the Phantom Wallet app, and that you have the correct contract address. You can also try refreshing the app or checking the asset's details to see if there are any issues with the asset itself. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you can try contacting Phantom Wallet's support team for further assistance. They will be able to provide more detailed guidance and help you resolve the problem. Remember to always keep your wallet and device secure, and never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with the Phantom Wallet mobile app.